Hello everybody, so for today we are going to be going to Jogashima to fly our drone, and I'm going to try to take some video with my GoPro and my Insta 360. I'm actually shooting with the Insta 360 now and getting the GoPro ready to go, and we will walk across the bridge to Jogashima Island here in just a little bit and walk out to the water area way where I'm going to be flying my drone today. And in the interim, what I will do is I will take some video with the GoPro and with the Insta 360 Go and include that as part of the video for you guys. So this is a very beautiful island that I fly at a lot, and I haven't been out here in a while, so it's going to be kind of interesting and a little bit nervous because I haven't flown for a while, but we'll go out there and take a look and see what we end up with. So I'm on Jogashima Island now, and I've turned into the trail where we're going to walk out that will take me to the sea where I'll be flying the drone today. And I'm just going to walk up and down the edge of the sea here. It's not really much of a shoreline, so to speak, because it's all rocks, jagged rocks and everything that jut out into the water, but I'll be walking around trying to find new places to fly, so we'll catch you in a little bit. So this is one of the places that I like to fly here on Jogashima. I'm getting ready to take my Mavic Air up for a real quick zip around here to get some footage. The waves are crashing really nice against the rocks down there, so I want to try to capture some of that, maybe in slow motion. This is also a place where the sea hawks, or tombi as they call them in Japan, actually lay their eggs and hatch their offspring every year. And it's just a really scenic place. People come here a lot, and they stop at this particular location to look out in this direction. Well, flying the Mini didn't work out today because of the wind. The wind on that side of the island was way too strong, so couldn't fly the Mini and ran out of space on my SD card on my Air 2, so I'm calling this trip at Jogashima finished. So when I get home, I'll throw the footage together, see how I'm going to put in this GoPro footage with everything, and just keep practicing until I can get this down where it kind of makes sense. So this is going to be rough. Don't beat me up about it. I'm just kind of trying to do a adventure blog as I'm going out to fly my drones from now. So it's got to get better, same way as it was with flying drones. Crashed everything in the beginning, got better as I went along. So like that kind of mistake, poking your GoPro into a tree branch. I crashed my GoPro. See you later. Bye.